Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore how to integrate MailerLite and Systeme. If you're new to MailerLite, don't miss the free trial link in the description below. For those of you already on board, simply log in and follow along. First, you'll need to create a Zapier account to establish the connection between MailerLite and Systeme. On the Zapier dashboard, click on Create and select Zaps. You can also use the Copilot for assistance if needed. Choose both MailerLite and Systeme from the list. Then fill in all the required details on the right-hand side. To link your MailerLite account, click Sign In and log into MailerLite. Repeat this step to log into your Systeme account. Once everything is set up, click Publish and you're all set. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.